Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Charge the Apple Watch above 50% and make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS. Then open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. Hold the watch inside the camera view until it recognizes the pattern. Once paired, sign in with your Apple ID so Health and iCloud sync. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth remain enabled throughout pairing. These services transfer settings and apps quickly, which means less manual setup later and faster app restores. Once paired, configure your watch. Pick a watch face and add complications that show the info you need at a glance. Next, enable Apple Pay and complete the card setup. Add medical ID and emergency SOS so help is available if needed. Make sure health permissions allow workouts and heart data to sync. After that, install apps via the Watch app and set notification priorities. This reduces clutter and ensures the watch alerts you only for what matters most. You're ready to use the watch. Practice tapping, swiping, and pressing the digital crown to navigate. Use force press alternatives when needed. Maintain your device by updating watchOS regularly, charging nightly or using power reserve when low, and cleaning the sensors gently. If problems arise, first restart both watch and iPhone, then reset network settings or unpair and repair to force a clean sync. If that still fails, contact Apple support. There may be a hardware fault, especially with sensors or Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.